Hey everybody, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius. Welcome to the Collector's Edition, my latest sneaker pickup. And on this episode of my latest sneaker pickup, I have the Jordan 4 Red Cement. That came out for a retail price of $210 US. The Jordan 4 Red Cement is a combination of two of its predecessors, the OG White Cement 4 and the Fire Red. But there's been a lot of mixed reviews on the Red Cement, but listen, I have no problem with it. I love it and I look forward to definitely rocking them after I do this review. But before I get to the review, I definitely would like to take some time to say thank you to all my current subscribers for rocking with me since day one. I truly appreciate you guys. And if this is your first time on the channel, thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you like this video and the rest of the content on the channel. Alright, so enough of the chit chat. Let me get to the reason why I'm doing this video, which is my latest sneaker pickup, the Jordan 4 Red Cement. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius and welcome back to the video and welcome back to the channel, my latest sneaker pickup. Alright, so I have the Jordan 4 Red Cement that came out September 9th of 2023. Unfortunately, as always, for the past year and a half, I did try to cop on the sneaker app and I caught a L as always, as I have been for the past year and a half. So I did exactly what I've been doing for the past few months by going to my local hood spot and I've been getting lucky. So alright, so let's get to the review. So all black box with paint splatter all over it, and the front of the box, Flight, and of course the Jumpman centered on the center of the top box in red. And then right here on the side of the box we have details, information of the sneaker. Alright, so size 10.5 Air Jordan 4 retro, white, red, black, and what else? Blanc, noir, oh, blanc. Oh, that's in French. So they have it in English and French. So white, fire red, black, and then they have blanc, noir, rouge, feu. So blanc is white, noir is black, and rouge is red, and then feu is fire. Okay, that's cool. First time I realized that they have it in English and they also have it in French. Check this out. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. So this is the box. I've already opened it, so I'm gonna open it for you guys right here. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so let's take the sneakers out the box. Very nice, very nice. Then by the way, I've already did a review on these. Unfortunately, the video did not come out right, so I gotta do everything all over again. Alright, so let's do it for the second time. Alright, so automatically, to me, this is a very nice pair of sneakers. I like them. I like the color blocking, the red with the block, with the black. Very nice pair of sneakers, man. Very nice. Check it out. Very nice. I'm very impressed with the quality of these fours. Very impressed. These leather right here is definitely top notch. Even from a mile away, you can see the tumble on the leather. The tumble is well defined on the leather. So let's do a quick breakdown of the sneaker. So right here we have a white leather on the front toe cap right here. You can see a little bit of tumbleness to it, but it's not as defined as the upper right here. Like this upper on the top right here, Yo, you can see that tumble from the leather from a mile away. Like it feels very firm, but at the same time and rich. That upper leather right here. I'm very impressed with these. Very nice. All right, so as we continue on the side panel, that same tumble that's on the upper right here goes all the way throughout, and you can see that. Damn, look at the definition of that tumble. Check it out. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see the definition of the leather? Very nice. Well crafted. Very nice. All right, so that tumble go all the way to the lower side panel right here, and then on the upper side panel, of course, we have the mesh that's all in white, and the lining underneath it is all white as well. And we have the wings that's in red with paint splatter, black paint splatter to them. The crown laces that's in black. And then if we come back to the front on the tongue right here, we have the all white mesh with the white lining as well that's underneath it. We continue to the upper of the tongue. Then we have the iconic Jumpman that's in red, and Flight at the bottom. Then as we flip the tongue, Air Jordan upside down. And of course, we have the air bubble at the bottom, and then turn around, and that's the outsole. It only comes with one pair of laces, which is white. It would have been nice if it came with a couple pair of laces, a black possibly. Then you turn to the back. The pull tab is in red with black paint splattered to it, and then of course you have the Jumpman that's in black. There's a lot of mixed feelings about these red cement, as people feel that they are a combination of the fire red and also the white cement, and they are absolutely correct. These Jordan 4 red cement is definitely a reverse of the fire red. They basically switch out the wings for the fire red. The wings were black. These are red. And what else? Right here was red on the fire red, and now they are black. That's the reverse. On the fire red, the crown laces were in red. On the red cement, they are black. And as far as for the white cement, all they basically took was the paint splatter. They basically add the paint splatter to the black. You know, to me, I like it. I'm not complaining. These are well made. The quality of these red 4 are superb to me. I give these definitely a 9, 9.5 easily, because the quality and the tumbleness on these leather is definitely top notch compared to what I've been getting with some of the Jordan 1s I've been buying. I love the silhouette of the Jordan 4s. Alright, so now let's talk price point. So the retail price was $210 US. And I was charged $18.64 of tax. My total payment was $228.64. Prices is up there. Like, that's crazy. That's definitely crazy. But I like these, and I'm happy with them. Very nice pair of sneakers. Alright, so that was it. That was my quick review, my personal opinion of these Jordan 4 red cement. This is the Broke Genius. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this was your first time on the channel, thank you for stopping by. Before you leave, don't forget to click the subscribe button and that notification bell. That way, when I upload all my videos, you can be notified. And more importantly, do not forget to smash the like button for your boy, as it helped the video with the whole YouTube algorithm. Alright, it's the Broke Genius, the collector's edition, my latest sneaker pickup. Thank you for watching. Until next time, and I am signing out.